Hey guys, welcome back to Vicky Links. My name is Victoria. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I soften and then manage my relaxed hair, stretching my relaxer. So right now my hair is 4 months post relaxer. So you can see how much my hair is grown. So this video I'll be sharing with you how I manage and it softens my hair. It's quite difficult to manage hair, especially when you have great undergrowth, much undergrowth like I'm having right now. So this video is basically to show you my routine to softens my hair before I relax it. So first thing first, most important thing is water. This goes a long way when it comes to softening your undergrowth. So water is the first thing you need, and then your leave-in conditioner. This is my DIY leave-in conditioner. So your leave-in conditioner, anyone you have available, and then your hair cream. So this is my herbal hair butter. I love this product very well. It does wonders for my hair. So first thing, you need water, your leave-in conditioner, and then your hair cream or hair butter, whatever. So right now I'm just going to be showing you how I apply them on my hair. So yeah, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Just hit that bell button, that just hit the subscribe button. It won't harm you, it won't cost you anything. Subscribe to my channel, help your girl. If my content are exactly what you need and they are helpful to you, they are useful to you, why not just subscribe to my channel? And don't forget to hit the post notification bell. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, you want to concentrate the water on your roots, those places with undergrowth. You want to concentrate the water on them, and then you massage properly. You make sure all those parts that the water has not touched, you try to get water to them. So that's basically what I'm trying to do here, making sure every part of the undergrowth, my root, and then everywhere needed to be softened gets water. So that's just what I'm doing right here. Okay, so right now with just water, my hair is already feeling soft. It's already getting soft. So I am going to be applying my leave-in conditioner now. So I am going to be focusing on my roots because that is where we're actually working on now. So just to make sure you apply a generous amount of your leave-in conditioner onto that part, basically as I'm doing. Also, you don't want to forget the ends of your hair because those parts also tend to dry up easily. So you can extend your leave-in conditioner on those ends too, just to keep them moisturized and to reduce or prevent breakage. So next step is to apply your hair cream, hair butter, whatever you use. So apply it generously on all parts of your hair, your ends, your roots, the whole body. Just apply it on your hair, and then you go ahead and comb your hair out. I believe after you've done all this, you will definitely see from here. After you've done all this, your hair will be so soft, and then the comb will just be sliding through it. Even if there's going to be any breakage, it will be as little as you can think of. So this is one of the best things you can do on your hair to avoid breakage. Even if you are not extending your or stretching your relaxer, this is a good method to prevent breakage when you want to comb your hair. So you can see how easy it is to comb through the hair now. This is exactly what you experience if you adopt this method. It's easy to comb your hair and then you will experience little or no breakage. So I'm going to show you the breakage I had right now. So I'm not sure you guys can even see this, but if you can, it is as little as there's no breakage at all. So I'm okay with that. Yeah, I'm just okay with that. So altogether, this is all the breakage I had. This is wonderful. I don't think I want anything more. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, and then don't forget to hit the post notification bell, so anytime I upload new videos, you'll be the first to see. So right now I'm just going to braid it up and then keep it out of the way. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.